Today we are going to have a discussion on modifier register. Here you can see I have mentioned a memory hierarchy on which the topmost is the register memory, then we have the cache memory, then we have the main memory, then we have magnetic disks, and finally we have magnetic tapes. These two are called auxiliary memories, or you can say secondary memories. Main memory is also called as primary memory. Here one point that I would like to mention is that register memory is placed on the top because this memory is fastest among all, while magnetic tapes are the slowest among all. On the other hand, magnetic tape size is very large and register memory size is very small. Therefore, it can hold less content but is very fast to access. And magnetic tapes hold greater amount of content but is very slow on the other hand. What is register modifier? Before talking about register modifier and its use, let's understand its syntax. We simply put register keyword in front of some data type and some variable. For example, here we put register keyword in front of this variable var, whose data type is int in this example. Register keyword hints the compiler to store a variable in register memory. Now this is the one thing we need to know. By putting register keyword in front of a variable name and its data type, we hint the compiler that please store this variable in register memory. This is done because access time reduces greatly for most frequently referred variables. Now this is one thing that we need to know. As the access time of register is very less as compared to the secondary memories. Therefore, when we put the variable in register, then its access time would also reduce. Especially those variables need to be put in those registers which are frequently used in our program. Suppose there is a variable int var which I am going to use in my program most frequently, then putting that variable inside the register would make it easy to access as well as fastest to access. And this will reduce the access time greatly. Now this is the choice of compiler whether it puts the given variable in register or not. Now this is the thing that we need to know. Compiler is responsible to place that variable into the register, and it is the choice of compiler whether it put that variable in the register or not. Simply writing the register keyword in front of the variable doesn't assure you that it will definitely get stored in the register. It is totally the choice of compiler. Usually compiler themselves do the necessary optimizations. If it finds out that a particular variable is frequently referred in our program, then it puts that variable automatically in the register. And that is what is done by the compiler automatically. So mentioning register in front of a variable is okay, but if you won't put it, automatically compiler will do all the optimizations actually required to do.